joint for the exclamation point channel. What's up, gang? They shot me, man. YouTube channel, they shot me.
Let's close. The less close, the better.
Right. Why is Prince?
Well, all the kids
in there? Princess ain't.
What's up, baby?
He said he could get
he clumsy, though.
his big butt up out of there.
What you got with y'all?
He just woke up.
Right, that's why you in
Hi.
All right, come on.
You gonna walk, Prince? Huh?
All right. Let's go on our nature walk. We out. What's up, Grumpy? What'd you say, nigga? No.
What did you do it?
We are now on our nature walk. We are headed to Herb Garden here
Is this the one that got the bridge?
in Akron,
And they got the
Ohio.
taxidermy place in it?
Sam Brown Nature Park.
Oh, do they? Okay, that's the one I was talking about. I
Low
remember I kept saying I couldn't figure out where it was at.
It's right down the street.
I said we used to go to it when we was kids.
Yeah, you sat on this side.
Right. That's what we need to go do. We ain't did it since we got high.
Tell them Marvin to get us together.
Yeah, we can go fishing on Father's Day. June 20th? Yeah, let's go fishing on Father's Day. I can set it up. We go to a nice spot, yeah. We go fishing on Father's Day. That's June 20th. I give it plenty of time to plan for it.
See AJ? Right here.
Yeah.
I was gonna get it for y'all.
There's also free fishing that whole weekend, too. You don't need no license to fish that weekend either.
If they were supposed to be picked, they would try to have more of them.
Yeah, we out here doing nature's best. Medicinal herbs, pies, and spices. We've been smelling flowers and shit. Smell like, what we been smelling? Lemon thyme. Lemon balm, thyme. This is medicinal herbs out here. Nature's Walk, serious joint with exclamation points in it. Got all the culinary arts going on. Nice band view. I love my family. We'll have memories forever.
Y'all know that's our cousin. Who is he? Annoying.
We know who he is, but they don't know.
Yeah. No, they know who he is type by annoyingness and face.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no, I see it definitely know who Dion is. There's no way that she don't.
I do.
Put that back.
Lilac.
Lilac, we smell
And
it.
that's
She got the biggest smile.
lilac.
Oh yeah, that smell like lilac too.
And that's
Did you smell it?
That's a
Oh, that smell good too.
it's a lamb's ears. They call
Oh,
it.
lamb's ear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you smell that? Did it smell like gin?
Uh-uh.
Oh man, yeah. Rob
Yeah.
had it. Hey, Ahmad.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it.
It's amazing.
That smells really good. No, it does.
They got some good small plants and stuff in here. What does this smell like?
What it smell like, Zoo?
It smells like mint. Some peppermint inside your butt.
You ready to get out?
Smell this right here. Just like garlic, don't it? Yeah, it do, don't it?
Yes.
It smell like garlic, like how you had the garlic on the Parmesan.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, be careful. Where you going at?
He took off.
That's amazing.
Where they at? They over there? Hold on. Wait for me.
We're on our nature walk.
You got Say when everybody drinking wine and the cork came out of the bottle itself. I thought it might have been the
And
pressure.
then something grabbed my booty when I took a shower.
Yeah.
Look.
Shit, we were sitting there talking the other day and the whole screen door opened up.
See this joint with exclamation point channel. Oh, that's how they collect the rainwater for the naturally.
That's what you put behind the garage. That's what I'm saying. I think I'm setting up a little higher though. Setting up a little higher.
See this joint with exclamation point channel.
They
See this
was
joint with
in the
exclamation
port,
point
got
channel.
out.
Yep.
I
just
ended up
seen
dead.
this.
I ended up dead.
I watch all that paranormal crap. That's why I thought about it with him. I'm like, he just walking by all of a sudden. He slides.
It was for his ass.
And he fucking you up, whatever it is. Which one is that? I got sage.
I already picked that.
Sage.
I didn't pick that. Ooh, this is
It smells like.
She said,
Whoa! I almost took an L. Dun-dun-dun, 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 dun-dun-dun. Chilling out on a beautiful Sunday with my nieces and nephews. Say hi, guys.